In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flush your website cache in GoDaddy Website Builder, Managed WordPress, and your browser. If you've made changes to your site but you're still seeing the old version, the issue is often caching. Cache is basically a stored version of your website that helps pages load faster, but sometimes it delays updated content from appearing right away. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to refresh that cached version in a few common places so your latest updates become visible. Let's start with GoDaddy Website Builder. First, open the editor for your website. Once you're inside the editor, look for the Publish button and click it. Publishing doesn't just push your latest changes live, it can also help flush the server-side cache. That means it tells the system to refresh the saved version being served to visitors. After you publish, give it a moment to process before checking your site again. Next, if you're using Managed WordPress, sign into your WordPress dashboard and look at the top admin bar. You should see an option labeled Flush Cache. Go ahead and click that. This clears the cached version being held by the hosting environment so that the newest version of your site can load. If you recently updated text, images, design settings, or plugins, this is often the quickest way to make sure those changes appear properly. Finally, you may also need to refresh the cache stored in your own browser. Even if the website itself has been updated, your browser can still show you an older saved version of the page. To force a fresh reload, open your site URL in the browser. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and R at the same time. On a Mac, press Command, Shift, and R. This tells the browser to reload the page from the server instead of using the locally stored version. If you're still not seeing the update after doing all of this, wait a minute or two and try again, since some changes can take a short time to fully appear. It's also a good idea to check the site in a private or incognito window just to confirm you're viewing the newest version. That's it. By publishing in GoDaddy Website Builder, using Flush Cache in Managed WordPress, and hard refreshing your browser, you can clear the most common cache layers and make sure you're seeing the latest version of your site.